Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on FC25. First, connect your controller to your computer. A USB cable provides a reliable, direct connection, or you can pair it wirelessly through Bluetooth settings if your PC has that capability. Make sure your controller is fully charged, and the light bar indicates it is ready for use. This simple first step sets the foundation for your gaming. Once connected, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode, which is designed for controller navigation. Go to the controller settings within Big Picture mode and activate PlayStation configuration support. This crucial step allows Steam to correctly recognize and translate your PlayStation 4 controller's inputs. Your computer often handles driver installation automatically, but confirming this setting ensures seamless integration for your games. Now, open FC25 and proceed to the main settings. Look for the Controller or Control Settings option, typically found under the Customize tab. Here, you can fine-tune button assignments, adjust stick sensitivity, and even modify vibration feedback. Spend a few moments personalizing these settings to ensure a comfortable and responsive gameplay experience tailored just for you. If you encounter any issues, first try restarting your computer and FC25. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves connectivity problems. Ensure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date, or test a different USB port if you are using a wired connection. For persistent problems, consider calibrating your controller through your computer's device manager to ensure precise input, enhancing your gaming fluidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.